the School Matei from Caserta, and the National College of Iași, Romania, for accompanying us during these 5 days that will be so enriching for all of us. I would also like to thank all the coordinators and all the teachers from Matei, Iași, and Elizalde schools who work hard in the distance and in presence in our Erasmus projects. My colleagues who support me, the school board, the headmistress, the parents, and last but not least, all of you, Erasmus family, for your enthusiasm, hard work, effort, and cooperation. Last year, in the mobility that took place in Elizalde, we learned about the figure of Erasmus Rotterdam, who gives its name to our Erasmus program. Erasmus of Rotterdam was remembered and recorded in history as the first citizen of Europe, a lover of freedoms and free thinking, and a defender of the need to interact with other people to enrich thinking. And that is why Erasmus program gives us the opportunity to meet people from other countries in Europe, to learn different cultures from each other all together, but at the same time to realize that we have a lot of things in common which unite us. But that is why this year I would like to tell you a very close story about a student who last year traveled to Caserta and who participates in Erasmus, and whose story perfectly summarizes the spirit and the essence of Erasmus. And I would like to share it with all of you. When I first met Chiara, an incredible Italian girl, I was all through messages. We connected instantly, spending hours talking about our common interests. From music to films, our conversations flowed effortlessly, as it felt as we had known each other for years. Finally, the day came when we met in person, and I can honestly say we clicked immediately. Despite both of having an excellent English level, we often found ourselves searching for the right words. Instead of relying on translators, we decided to speak in our own languages, which not only help us learn new words, but also deepen our bond. We created our own inside jokes that made us laugh, even when we were surrounded by others. When I stayed at her house, I felt like a part of her family. Chiara and her mother treated me with such kindness and warmth that it made my heart swell. I remember the day I had to leave and I couldn't help crying. It was a bittersweet moment because I knew the memories we made would stay with me forever. Fortunately, we never lost touch. In fact, during the holiday season, Chiara sent me a delightful package filled with typical treats from Italy. Erasmus is an experience I will never forget, but I truly believe that this journey wouldn't have been half as wonderful without Chiara by my side. So, as we kick off this new year of Erasmus with open hearts and minds, I encourage each of you to make bonds with your exchange student, because it's really worth it. Who knows, you might find a lifelong friend who will change your world just like Chiara did for me. After listening to this moving story, we would like to hear many close stories like this again at the end of this mobility. Meeting new people, making new friends, being able to participate in workshops, discovering a totally different culture, and rediscovering ourselves with abilities, skills, and weaknesses that we may not have known about are some of the things that you are going to experience these days. For me, Erasmus mobility programs enrich students as people, creating bonds with the students who participate. So, I am glad that those who visit us, the students of Matei High School and the teachers of IAS National School, will be with us this week learning about Basque culture, participating in our upcycling workshops, meeting our families and living with them. Finally, for all the students who are with us today, our Erasmus students